Hi, my name is Dechin.
Hi, my name is Sonam.
And today we are introducing you to the different kind of tea that we usually consume in Ladakh.
And today you are at my cafe, the Coffee Lounge.
Introducing you to butter tea. Butter tea has a history dating back to 7th century from a Tang dynasty. This tea is basically consumed in most of the Himalayan states including Ladakh, and this tea is also called as pocha in Tibet. So this tea is specially prepared with the help of this leaf, the dried leaf, which we boil it for 3-4 hours and make a syrup out of it, which we store and then use it on an occasional basis. This is gurgur, in which the butter tea is being churned for the preparation. Yes.
Next we have our chamomile tea. In Ladakh we have recently started growing and consuming this tea. This is the flower that we use to infuse the tea. There are many health benefits of chamomile tea, especially it helps in calming our nerves, thereby improving our digestive system, and also helps in better sleep, and it is also rich in antioxidant.
Next I have on my plate is the mint tea. Like the chamomile tea, mint tea is very simple in preparation. We steep it for like 2-3 minutes and then drink it. It has various health benefits.
Next we have our buckwheat tea. This is the buckwheat seed that we used to make our buckwheat tea. It is known as soba tea in Japan and highly consumed in Japan. In Ladakh, this is grown in Turtuk village and also western part of Ladakh. So this tea has a nutty flavor in it, and it helps in better digestive system. It helps in better immune system, and also it helps in people who have diabetes. Next we have our green tea, and this is again, it is highly consumed in Ladakh region. This helps in better boosting our immune system. It helps in weight loss, and also it is rich in antioxidant.
Thank you for watching.
We hope you have enjoyed exploring different types of teas that we drink in Ladakh.
Bye-bye.
Bye.